Hey everyone, this is Jamie Pate, and I'm just jumping in here today to talk about a post that I have up on HeidiSwapp.com, and it's called The Adventure Side of Storyline Chapters. The Adventure Side of Storyline Chapters. And what that means is I have dedicated one of my storyline chapter inserts to just our summer adventures, our hiking. And I can't show you the front of the book yet because there's another project on there for, I think it's a post next week, so stay tuned to that. But I wanted to talk about something on this particular page here, and probably something you're going to see throughout the rest of this book, off and on anyway. So in today's post, I talk about how I'm really wanting to keep track of these adventures that we're taking just about weekly this summer that have just been so good for us and whoever's available to go. And so the left side of the insert page, it's supposed to be a 7.5 by 9 size photo. I mismeasured, and I'm gonna just be okay with that. So you can see I have a little bit of a border on this side, but it's fine. I'm not looking for perfection here. I'm looking for documenting here. And so I'm totally fine that I have more of a border there than I should have. The thing I really want to point out today, and this is not going to be a long video, I just want you guys to know I have something for you. On this side of the page, I was influenced by my dear friend Kim Jeffress, who's also on the Heidi Swapp media team, who did a grid page in her storyline chapters insert, and I just loved it so much. So I basically lifted what she did. I just took it a little step further. I made available for you guys this photo template, and you can find it on my blog at jamiepate.com, free for the download. And what this is, obviously, it's a 12 photo grid that is already formatted perfectly for the storyline chapters page. Now you can see here on my interpretation and on Kim's and some other ones that I'm going to do here and show in further post, not every square is a photo. Here, just for showing you guys what this grid looks like, I wanted to show you every square is a photo, because I could easily fill every square with the story about these hiking trips that we've been taking. That's the only difference here. Here we have almost every row is a non-photo square. So photo, date, and pattern paper, and some journal strips. Photo, and then I was kind of wanting this still to be pretty. So you have a popped up butterfly in the middle of my hike page. Work with me, people. You want to do this too. You know that. Okay, so one photo here, 2 pattern paper embellishment squares, whatever you want to call them. Here I used a tag and offset it onto 2, or actually 3 squares to add journaling into the page. Photo, and in the middle here, pattern paper and a sticker, adventure. Super basic, right? Super doable. And especially with the template, you can just bang this out so quickly, because what's the bottom line? Documenting, guys. Bottom line is documenting and telling your story. So I just wanted to highlight this today. This book is growing. I have more in here I want to show you. You're going to have to just stay tuned for some other videos and some other projects that I have in the near future. And I hope I can get this all done as we're going this summer, because it has been such a joy to me. And gosh, what joy it is to then take these stories and get them printed and back onto the page and tell your story, and that's what it's all about. Thank you so much for jumping in this page with me real quick to see what's going on in my storyline chapters summer adventure book. All right, see you next time.